A major ruling from the Supreme Court today on employee health plans for birth control. The Supreme Court ruled some for-profit companies do not have to provide contraceptive coverage to workers. The decision came in a case brought by the evangelical Christian owners of Hobby Lobby. The arts and crafts store owners argued the Affordable Care Act's requirement that their company provide free birth control coverage violated their religious beliefs.
The Supreme Court decided that Americans don't give up their religious freedom just because they open a family business.
What we saw today was 5 male justices rule that discrimination specifically against women is not discrimination in their book.
The court ruling only applies to corporations that are under the control of just a few people. It's also limited to contraceptives and does not apply to other health insurance requirements that might conflict with the employer's religious beliefs. And just as the decision came from a divided court, local reaction is also divided. KCAL 9's Christine Lazar visited a Hobby Lobby to show us how shoppers are split on this decision.
They have their rights too, and we need to respect everybody's rights. Having said that, people have the choice to not shop here.
Many shoppers today at the Hobby Lobby in Rancho Cucamonga applauded the Supreme Court's decision to allow the arts and crafts chain owned by evangelical Christians to opt out of providing birth control to its some 13,000 full-time employees.
It's their money, their business. I think they should be able to do what they want when it comes to health care and stuff like that.
This is the first time the High Court has ruled that a for-profit company could object to certain health care coverage, citing religious beliefs. The case was brought by Hobby Lobby and a Mennonite-owned private company in Pennsylvania.
These two companies are for-profit corporations. They're not religious organizations like the Catholic Church or Catholic Charities. So by ruling in favor of them, the Supreme Court has basically indicated that any corporate employer whose religious owners object to doing this cannot be made to do so.
David Cruz is a constitutional law professor at USC. In her dissent, Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg said the court, in its 5-4 vote, had ventured into a minefield.
So she mentions vaccinations or blood transfusions. There's absolutely nothing in the majority opinion that would say our reasoning doesn't apply here.
This Hobby Lobby customer and Christian says she disagrees with the court's ruling.
Because I just think that's a right, your own right. You can choose what health care you want, what you don't want.
Still, she has no plans to stop shopping here.
I'm not an employee, that's a terrible thing to say, but...
So you'll still shop here, but you wouldn't work here?
I wouldn't work here.
Right now, there are no open Hobby Lobbies in LA County, just in Orange County and the IE. But 2 stores are set to open next month in Burbank and in West Covina. In Rancho Cucamonga, I'm Christine Lazar, KCAL 9 News.